Oh, good morning, guys. It feels like every time I make a video these days, all I'm showing you is snow. That's because we're getting the fourth nor'easter today. I'm hoping I can get this video out on time. We're supposed to get 12 inches of this, which is just out of control, especially since yesterday was the first day of spring. So, to get back to the video, this is the table where I make all of the videos and do all of my decoupage. It's a little cleaned off right there, but what it ends up looking like is this. And since it normally takes 3 days to complete a video, this spot in my kitchen looks like this for 3 days, and I needed a way to put these things in a place where I could have easy access to them, but clear this table off. So I wanted a cart on wheels. So I decided to go into a store and I found this piece of luggage. Now this is the hard plastic outside. It's got wheels on it. It's got the handle that goes up and down, and this suitcase did not suit my style at all, but I knew I could decoupage it. And the carts that you can buy for crafts were so expensive. Tried shopping for those first, and at full price they were $100 for a decent one that could hold some nice things in them. And even with the 50% off coupon, it was $50, and I said, come on, we can do better than that. So I found this piece of luggage, and I decided not only would I upcycle it, I'll show you guys how I did it. And here's how this looks now, and I couldn't be happier with it. So I completed the front and the back of this. I'll show you how I did it. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to switch over to the subtitles with music again. There's going to be plows and equipment. So if you guys don't mind, once again, I will show you how I did this, but I'm going to switch over now to music and subtitles. Thank you so much for subscribing, you guys. It's helping me out here on YouTube. And I will start with the music and the subtitles now.